Hey bestie, in this video we're gonna be talking about my skincare routine. I get asked this question so often. Lindsay, what's your skincare routine? Lindsay, what products do you use? So I figured I might as well make an updated video because I do have another one on the channel, but since then my taste has kind of changed. Some things are the same, but there's a few products that have kind of slid their way into my routine that I kind of want to share with you guys. I feel like this video is going to be kind of long. I hope not. I will try to cut it up as much as possible because I know your time is valuable. But yeah, I have pretty dry skin, dry to normal. And so I feel like this video is going to cater to you if you also have dry to normal skin. And let's get right into it. I'm going to try to do this video in the order that I would usually do my skincare. And if it was going to be the end of the night, the first thing I would do is take off my makeup. Usually to take off my makeup, I use some type of melt away balm, or I use a facial cleanser that's really just gonna get rid of that makeup entirely in at least 5 minutes. And so these products, all of these products really do that for me. This is the Gentle Bubble face wash. This stuff is gold, you guys. Like, run out and go get it. This stuff is so freaking good. I got it in a BoxyCharm one year, and ever since then I've been repurchasing it. Literally, this lasts me like half a year, sometimes even longer, because you really don't need a lot at all. And I love this stuff so much, you guys, so much. So it just kind of depends on your preference. If you like a face wash to take off your makeup, then there's this. And then if you like a melt away, there are both of these. Now this first one is the Pharmacy Green Clean face wash. I love this. I feel like it's so gentle on my face. I don't have to like rub too harshly. This one is also really good as well. This is the Good Molecules Instant Cleansing Balm. This one does have more product, about like 2.5. This one has like 1.5 ounces, 1.7. So this one does have more product, and I can tell you this one is going to be more affordable. However, I really love the scent. I feel like that's a weird thing, but I feel like I really love the scent on this one. It just smells like greens. Like, it smells like really healthy on your skin, to be honest. I really love this one. I love them both. Thank you so much to Good Molecules also for sending this to me. So it just depends on what you'd be more interested in. I feel like both of these are amazing products, and they both are gonna take away your makeup and not leave you feeling too oily, you know? So moving on to face washes, I love both of these face washes so much. I think it's so cute. They're both in green packaging, first of all. Obviously, this one's gonna be a little bit more affordable than this one. Let me tell you what they are. This is the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser for normal to oily skin. And then this is the Whipped Greens Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser by Pharmacy. I love Pharmacy, so they just really take the cake, honestly. I love both of these, you know, face washes, honestly. So if you're on a budget, definitely get this one. If you have a little extra to spend, get this one though, just because I feel like it leaves me feeling so clean and moisturized. Like, and I feel like that's kind of like, obviously this one's for normal to oily, so because I have more dry skin, it's gonna leave me feeling dry because I don't have oily skin. I actually picked this one up by accident, then fell in love with it. So I really want to try the normal to dry. I just haven't had a chance yet. So if you have, let me know how that one was for you. But I love this one so much. Now, like, this one is gonna cost a little bit more, but it's super big as well, and I feel like you only need a little bit. So this could probably last you a while, to be honest, and I think it's really worth it. So I have 3 toners to talk to you guys about. The first one is the Mamonde Rose Water Toner. I talked about this in the last video, so I'm not going to talk about it too much. I'm still using this, still adoring this. It's so light on your face, and it just evens everything out, in my opinion. It doesn't leave me dry. I hate it when I use a toner and it dries my skin out. You guys know what I'm talking about. I can't do it. If a toner does that, I don't even want it in my collection of skincare. But I love this one so much because it genuinely just feels so nourishing and light on the face. So I feel like I have like 2 of these in my skincare bin, and I'm probably never gonna stop using it, to be honest, just because it works really well, doesn't break me out, and I just feel so clean when I use it, you know? So the next product is another Pharmacy product, you guys. We're seeing a pattern here. This is the Pharmacy Deep Sweep Toner. I love this. This one is really pore cleansing. It says that on it too, pore cleansing. I love this stuff, you guys. Oh, let me show you guys what it looks like a little bit better. I love that matte packaging, but that's not the point. What matters is what's on the inside, and what's on the inside is really good. I love this one because it is a little bit more heavy duty than the first one. So I don't use this one every day. I use this one like at least once or 2 times a week. The third product I want to talk about is this toner right here from Good Molecules. Let me read, I hope I read this right. It is the niacinamide. I think I said that right. Niacinamide, yes. Brightening toner. And you guys, I didn't know anything about that niacinamide until I asked my friend Tamara about it. And she said that she tried it out before and it's really, really good for your skin. So then I did some more research and it is really, really good for your skin. So if you guys are interested in trying that out and you've never tried anything that had that in it, definitely pick this up. Thank you guys, Good Molecules, so much for sending this to me. I've actually really been liking it. It has vitamin C and a whole bunch of other good stuff in there. Check them out. I think they're new to Ulta now. They just, all of their stuff, really, I can see why they're called Good Molecules because a lot of their products are very, very healthy to the skin. So you guys, I have totally changed my face moisturizer. I now use the Good Molecules silicone-free priming moisturizer, and I love this one because it's super light on the face. Super light. Like, I feel like I loved the rose moisturizer too, but I felt like I didn't really like how that one kind of had a more strong fragrance in my opinion, and I didn't like that it felt a little bit heavier on the skin. Now the Mamonde toner is so light, but I felt like the moisturizer was a little heavy for me personally. But this one right here feels so light on the skin. You can't even really tell it's there. And it doesn't make you look oily. It just gives you this nice little sheen, which I really appreciate. And I just really love this product. I don't have a lot to say about it, but I just want you guys to know that if you like things that are super lightweight, you will definitely like this. And it is also super affordable as well. So to quench my dry skin's thirst, I usually go in with a serum of some sort. Usually I will incorporate both of these. Some days I just use this one. I actually just got this one in a BoxyCharm and I love it. I will definitely be repurchasing this one. This is the Advanced Serum Vitamin E Hyaluronic Acid 100 by Clara's New York. I freaking love this stuff. This is so good if you really just want to feel like super duper moisturized and hydrated. It's like, I feel like I'm like I said, quenching my skin's thirst. Like literally, I feel like I'm drinking water when I put this on my face. Like it's just that good. I'm going to show you guys how slowly it comes out. You guys see that? It looks like gloopy almost, which I thought was so fascinating when I first tried it out. I was like, what the heck, you know? But I really love it, and I would definitely recommend it to anyone with dry skin, period. And it's not that much money. I think it's like 14 or something like that. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. This next serum is the Earth Harbor Aurora Serum. I think that this is so cute, you guys. Like, this component is so pretty to me. I love this serum. I feel like it is a little oily, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. But the reason I think that it's not bad for me personally is because it's such a thin consistency. Like, you know what I mean? Let me show you. Like, it's not like thick and oily. Like, it's super like thin and oily. So as long as you don't use too much, you'll be just fine. You won't break out. I never break out from the serum. I just wake up and my face always feels like super dewy and like a baby's bottom, honestly. So I think that this one is honestly really nice as well. But if you do have oily skin, I'm not gonna recommend this one to you. I will recommend the other one, just not this one, because you will get a little oily, but for me personally, that doesn't irritate my skin too much. This next product I get asked about so flippin' often. This is the Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. Looks like this, super pretty packaging. I love this stuff, you guys. I love how my under eyes feel. I feel like I feel more awake when I put this on my under eyes. I don't know what it is about it, but I feel like when I wake up in the morning and do my skincare, like I feel so good. I feel so awake after I put this on. I don't know what it is about it, but it will make you look more awake. And I will get this product forever, I feel like, because this is amazing. If there's one thing I could recommend, would it be this? Maybe it wouldn't be this. I feel like it's high on the list though. Super high on the list. If you guys have been looking for an eye balm, this is the one. Maybe not for your eyes, like the eyes, like, you know, but for the under eyes, yes. Speaking of eye care, like on the eyelid care, I've been using this CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. You can use it on your under eyes as well, and that feels really good. Guys, this is like eyelid therapy, okay? If you do makeup a lot, especially, and you're just like always doing your makeup, putting concealer on, taking makeup off, eventually your eyelids are gonna start to feel a little dry or used up, especially if you're doing eye looks every single day and you need some type of remedy to that. And I feel like this has done that for me 100%. It's not too expensive, pretty affordable. And I love how it makes my eyelids feel. I was at one point when I was literally doing makeup, like eye makeup every single day, and my eyes did feel really crackly and I needed something to help me out with that. And I came across this in Walmart and I've been using it ever since, and I stan it. I stan this. This is a small little thing I just thought I'd throw in here. This is the lip balm that I do use in the mornings and then at night. This is the Mario Badescu Mint Lip Balm. This is really freaking good. I mean, it's really just like a little light mint moment. I like it when I feel the mint on my lips when it comes to like products like this, and I feel like that tingling sensation. And yeah, like it's just a lip balm, you guys. It's like, it doesn't do much, but it does just enough. So I just thought I'd throw it in there because why not? The next step in my routine is definitely facial sprays. These are the Mario Badescu ones. This one is the rose water. We have the cucumber, then we have the lavender one. I love all of these so much. Oh, let me show you what they look like. I feel like most of you guys know what these look like, and you might probably even own it already, but I just thought I'd throw that in there because I love a little like refresh spray, and I always kind of switch out which ones I use per night. And I typically do reach for the rose water one the most, but I do use the other two as well. And I feel like I just really love rose, so that's why I go for this one. But these are also amazing. Just thought I'd throw that in there as well. So these are both exfoliators. One is super high end and this one is really, really affordable. So I'm gonna talk about the high end one first. This is the Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion Pore Perfector. Looks like this. Guys, this is definitely like around $40 to $60, but I got in a BoxyCharm and probably will be repurchasing it because it is that good. I love this for when I feel like my pores are just looking really, really enlarged on some days, or when I just feel like my skin feels honestly dirty, because it really gets deep down in there. So I really do stan this. I love it. I love how it makes my skin feel. I know it is pretty pricey, but like I said, this particular one I probably use either once a month or maybe like two times a month. So I feel like I won't go through it really quickly, which I love. And that is kind of how I tell myself that spending $60 on skincare is okay and acceptable. The affordable option is the Good Molecules Pineapple Exfoliating Powder. Looks like this right here. I also love this stuff, you guys. It's like a powder that you sprinkle into your hand, spray some water, scrub around, and then it turns into the exfoliator that you rub on your face. So I think this one is more fun to me anyway, because you get to like, you know, kind of like make a concoction for yourself and then treat yourself with some skincare. I love this one. I feel like it's super light, and I don't know, my skin also feels really good when I use it. I don't feel like it gets as deep down as the other one, and also I feel like this one is a little bit softer on the skin, which is nice. If your skin is sensitive, you might not like the other one, the Dr. Brandt, because that one is actually really rough, to be honest, even when you dampen your face. So keep that in mind. Next up is my masks. As you guys can see, I definitely need to get some new ones because these are tore up, okay? These are some amazing products that I do use at least once a week, honestly, which is why they're so tore up, because I love them. This is the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. This is everything. I love this one more than this one. I do. I love it so much. It is so nurturing and moisturizing, and just like it literally feeds your skin, okay? Like you'll put this on and you'll want to use this every day. When you take it off, it makes your face feel so smooth and moisturized and just, like I said, fed. It feeds me, okay? So I love this product so much, and I recommend this one to literally, like, if there's actually one thing you're gonna purchase, I would purchase this. I would say this one all the way because it's so good, you guys. It's literally that good. Moving on to the next one. This next one is from Pharmacy, which I love, and it is the Bright On Massage Activated Vitamin C Mask. I love this one as well. I feel like it just doesn't leave me as moisturized as the one that I talked about prior, but it's pretty dang close. And for that reason, I feel like, and like I said, Pharmacy's products are amazing anyways. There's a really good ingredients in there, and I feel like it's also worth it. Maybe look at price difference to like figure out which one you'd want to get, but I feel like this one gets the job done. It's just not as like, ooh. The last product I'm just gonna throw in here real quick is the ColourPop Lippy Scrubs. These are really good lip scrubs. As you can see, this one is well loved. It is in By the Bushel. That's what this one is called. And I really do love this lip scrub. Really simple, small thing to add in here. I love it. I don't use a toothbrush anymore because someone told me that that is really harmful to your lips. But I just take some of it and like rub it into my lips and really get some of that dead skin off, which is helpful. So I just wanted to throw that in at the end. And guys, we are at the end of the video. If you guys are still here, I love you so much. Thank you so much for your support. Please like and subscribe and comment below if you have any skincare recommendations for me or if you found something that you might purchase or try out. Bye, you guys.